also be wondering what the fuck I'm doing here and where I've been. Also gonna be another video. So I know a lot of you just came here for a tutorial on doing the bow ties on Chevy trucks. If you want to go ahead and get to the tutorial and skip what's about to happen, just click to the timestamp down below. It'll save you a lot of time and trouble. If you're here for some wild entertainment and you want to see somebody do some stupid funny shit, stay tuned. Get some popcorn or whatever the hell you want to eat, and get comfortable, or try to at least. I know it's a little tough these days and ages, because it's about to go down. So without further ado, let's get into this. Oh fuck, didn't see you there. Like, I'm gonna tell it to you straight, guys. Alright, I've been away from YouTube for a while, like about a year I think. I don't know what the fuck to say. So some of you guys on my videos actually post like decent comments that like mean something, and some of y'all, like, I kind of question why the fuck you even decided to comment in the first place, let alone continue watching the video if like you ain't even gonna like it. The biggest ones that have been blowing up is the bow tie install video I made, I think about a year and a half, 2 years ago. Yeah, about so. I don't fucking remember. Anyway, like, a few of y'all gave constructive comments, which is very appreciated. Thank you very much. And some of y'all decided to open your asshole rather than open your mouth. Maybe you just mistaken it. I don't fucking know. I'm not a therapist. I don't read people, so. You know. Anyway, like, I got a few comments I'm gonna read off to y'all here. Don't mind the brightness of my phone. I'm just blind as fuck. So let's see what we got here in the old YouTube comments area, shall we? So for reference, I'm gonna put like a screenshot on the screen here. If I'll stop breaking my fucking car. We're gonna be going over the bow tie video comments at first. Later on, like I said, if you didn't click the fucking timestamp earlier and you decided to endure this, only realize you don't want to endure this, again, the timestamp is gonna be back at the beginning of the video. Fucking click it if you don't want to watch me, like, I don't know, be a dick to people. Alright, so first off, let me get this out here. The folks who like suggested a hair dryer or you know, something along those lines, thank you. It's constructive. I'll definitely mention that in the tutorial today. Even though I don't have an example to use anymore, I will still mention it just for construction's sake. Some of y'all posted jokes. I kind of don't get the jokes sometimes, but I'll laugh at it. Haha. So the first one that really made me like scratch my head and wonder why the fuck this guy wasted his time. And I'm actually making this video in tribute to this guy. So this video is for you, assface. Your name being Richard Foster. Yes, Richard Foster, this video is just for you. No music, as everyone requested, so I learned from now on, no music in my tutorials. So Richard Foster, you said, and I'm gonna quote you here, I'll also have like a photo somewhere on this fucking screen of your comment, just so everybody can read it. This video killing me, ... Let's play music while I talk, ... Fishing line better and stronger, ! Blind leading the blind. Good observation, I'm fucking blind. So you're the one who decided to click on the video. That is kind of your doing. Yes, fishing line is better and stronger. I just didn't have the money for it. Boy balling on the budget, what can you say? And yes, I did play music because people complained that my videos were too quiet without it. But apparently, you can't satisfy everybody, so I'm just gonna do my own fucking thing. And the video's killing you, I suggest you seek medical help. There's nothing really I can do for that, so just kind of seek professional help there, I guess. Thankfully, I've got some friends who jumped in. They're also going to be in the comments, because I'm not deleting these comments. I love looking at these comments, they're fucking hilarious. So, Casually Uploaded, which actually is a buddy of mine, Graham Crisp, 905 Colorado on Instagram. This is going to be down below on the screen. Check his truck out. Me and him rival all the time because we obviously know mine's better than his, but it's all on whose opinion it's whose. Anyway, he just told the guy he should go make a video about it, which is very true. Don't judge someone if you haven't done something for it. So, another person here, Ariana, who is also an awesome person, a friend of mine and Graham's. Her Instagram is having her blackout. So she said, "Let me clarify something. You said you were dying from watching this video. I think what you meant to say was you're so bored in life you had nothing better to do than go back to a video from 2 years ago and really try to be a smart ass in your comment. But I'm sorry, I didn't quite see you make a video removing the Chevy emblems, now did you?" Right. You ain't even got shit on yours. Go make one and then come comment on his. And yeah, I used fishing wire on mine. Didn't damage my paint, it came off in one spot. Bet you didn't even take an emblem off before. Wait, I bet you even haven't. I fucked that up. I bet you even watched the entire video and then commented. Haha, for sure. Honestly, although I'm not showing it, I'm actually like, I'm loving this comment. It's fucking hilarious. I love that. So thank you to you two who commented and like told this guy how much of a fucking dick face he is. Some of our folks, more constructive stuff like using pry tools, using a heat gun. Again, you guys are appreciated. I am not fucking mad at you guys. It's just the dick bats who decide that they want to voice their opinion, get some attention on themselves for really retarded reasons. Yeah, so really that's all I want to cover for that video. The rest of the videos usually get positive reception if any. Most of them don't even fucking comment on my videos. Either way, it's whatever. So, without further ado, since I finally got all that bullshit out of the way, why don't we get into what y'all actually came for? The actual fucking meat and potatoes. The goddamn reason I'm in the trunk of this fucking car, and the reason this camera is looking at me so fucking awkwardly. Let's get into how to do these bow ties on a fucking Colorado. I'll be back in a sec with a visual aid. Y'all stay tight or stay loose, whatever the fuck y'all prefer, and we'll get right into this. Catch you on a bit. Alright everyone, welcome to the tutorial portion of the video. Either you clicked the timestamp to arrive here, or you endured what is probably the most hateful thing I've ever done on video. Anywho, let's get right into this. So, for visual demonstration purposes, here is the old grill off of my truck. This is the one that I had whenever I did the original video. I've since swapped the grill out for the new Chevy script grill that everyone likes to do for some fucking reason. Anyways, so to get right into this, here's our emblem. It doesn't sit perfectly because I drilled this grill out at one point. But to get right into it, you're going to have 4 clips. You're going to have a clip here, a clip here, clip here, and a clip here. I'll go and turn the grill around so you may see what they look like. These are the clips that you'll be working with. The way they work is by turning them. Or not quite turning, but pushing them. Okay, and I'm going to go and apologize in advance for the lighting quality. I'm working on that in progress. But for demonstration purposes, since it's easier to take the grill emblem off with the grill on the truck, I'm going to hold the grill up as if it's installed on the truck. You got your grill right here, right? You know, whoop-de-doo, you're either tired of the black emblem or the gold emblem, depending on what you have. For this sake, we have a gold emblem, and I really think they're ugly, so I got a black emblem when I did the swap. What you want to do is you want to take the go to the top of your grill. You're going to have hex bolts along the top. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They're a T15 Torx screw. You're going to want to undo those 6 bolts across the top of your grill. Be careful not to strip them out. They're really soft metal. From there, the grill will release from the truck. That's the only screws you need to undo to get access to the grill. I suggest having a friend who can pull the grill from the top to pull it forward as far as they can, because if you pull it too much, you'll break it. And this is the expensive part from Chevrolet, so do at your own risk. The way I did it is in the previous video covering this, where I just had a friend pull it a pretty decent amount, and I got in behind it with a T15. Or not with a T15. I got behind it with my fingers because I didn't have tools. So now I'm going to piggyback of what other viewers have commented. A lot of them said that an interior and pry tool made uninstalling this grill emblem a lot easier. Some said a Phillips screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver. Really experiment around with the tools you have. Try and find what works best for you. So now I'm going to set this back to its resting position, and we're going to talk about the rear emblem. So the rear emblem, it is attached to the tailgate with double-sided tape. Not your normal double-sided tape though. It's a really sticky kind of adhesive. It's made to stay on the truck for the lifetime of the vehicle. The most ideal way that it can be taken off is one of 2 ways. You could use Goo Gone and fishing line, not dental floss, but fishing line. It works a lot better. You get like a 25-pound test fishing line. That's probably the most you'll need. And just do a sawing action, and it'll come off eventually. The faster method and the more preferred method is to use a heat gun. Hold it to the emblem, not too close, not too far, so you don't mess up the paint or the emblem itself. You do that until it starts to release, and then you give it a few good light pulls. I suggest wearing gloves because it's going to make the emblem hot. You'll be left with residue on your tailgate. You can either Goo Gone and pull it off, or you can get a adhesive removing wheel for your for any kind of device that spins it. I don't fucking know. I never dealt with those. I do shit the other way. But you can get a adhesive removing wheel that makes the job a lot easier. So hopefully this video helps out a lot more than the old one did. I followed a lot of y'all's feedback, so there's no music here. If you're new to the channel, it's not going to always be like this. It's actually a lot more casual and a lot more laid back. But I got a little fired up, I guess. So if you're new to the channel, you want to see more content, or you just happen to like what I just did, leave a like, comment for future content you want to see, comment some suggestions. I'm always open to constructive ones. Don't be a fucking dumbass or I'll make another video about you. And if I haven't said already, subscribe. More to come. I'm getting back into this. It'll be a little more consistent again. So, new look, same great taste. Anyway, y'all have a good day, and I'll see you fuckers later.